Okay, now we're going to calculate pH and pOH from molarity. Remember, molarity is how concentrated a solution is. So anytime we see big M, that's molarity. It's telling us how concentrated this solution is. Okay, we're going to assume that this is 100% dissociation, meaning a strong acid or a strong base that's going to ionize completely. Okay, so we need this chart and a calculator. The first thing we're going to decide, is this an acid or a base? Well, it starts with hydrogen, so we know this is an acid. This is hydrochloric acid. Remember the names from before, okay? And we know the molarity of the acid. So if we know the molarity, what do we know? We know the hydrogen ion concentration of this acid is 0.01. What do we want to know? Calculate the pH of the solution. So we need to calculate the pH. So we're going to take the negative log of that concentration. Okay, so let's put that in the calculator. Again, oh, that light. Okay. We're going to hit negative control log again, and then in the box, arrow over, we're going to put in our concentration, which is 0.01, okay, and hit enter. It says that the pH is 2. So pH equals 2, right? What if we have a base though? Okay, so here, this ends in OH, so we know it's a base. What's the concentration of this base? 0.001 molar. So if I know the concentration or the molarity of my base, I know how many hydroxide ions are in solution. So again, I want to know the pH, but notice I can't go straight from OH to pH. First, I'm going to have to solve for pOH. So I'm going to take the negative log of 0.001, negative log of 0.001. Okay, this will give me the pOH. Okay, so I'm going to go negative control log, and I'm going to arrow over, and I'm going to put in my concentration 0.001. 0.001, and I hit enter. And it tells me the pOH equals 3, right? But that doesn't answer the question. I want to know the pH. So I know the pOH equals 3, so to solve for pH, I'm going to do 14 minus 3. So pH equals 14 minus 3, which is 11, and that is my answer. Okay, we're solving for pH every time. So decide, is this an acid or a base? If it's a base, it takes 2 calculations to find the pH. If it's an acid, it's just 1 calculation. It's the negative log of your number. I should have put that to begin with. All right. Also, yes, it will not always be whole numbers. We're going to end up with decimals the further we get. Let me know if you have any questions.